is a little weak, but I'll tell you, nobody here is old enough to remember World War II. I remember when it finished and war is over and Japan surrendered. But the royal family was advised to send the little princesses, Queen Elizabeth, she wasn't Queen Elizabeth then afterwards, so they did the girl, and Margaret to Canada. And the Queen Mother said something famous. She said, the girls will not leave without me. I will not leave the king, and the king cannot leave. So all of them stayed. And they took their bombing. The little princesses were sent to Windsor for protection. But it's to show how enveloped Jesus wanted them and